today's fiddle tip is talking about different notes of the tune. So you probably already know this, but notes are pretty important to know as far as getting them internalized and into your head. But there's a lot of reasons why you should be really familiar with the notes of the tune, not just while you're learning by ear and keeping track of which note goes where, but it can also help you with variations. It can help you with ornamentation. It can help you with adding chords into the tunes. So we'll take Haunted House for an example. This is one I did in a lesson earlier. So the A part pretty much stays in G, but then when you get to the B part, you get an E minor chord. So a guitar player playing with you would maybe play an E minor chord there, and that's taking, that's your E chord, but you're just starting on that third with that pattern. So that kind of gives you a hint that maybe you'd want to put an E minor there. Give it a try with some tunes you're working on and let me know what you think.